All right, let's talk about something that is a total game changer for anyone who's ever just stared at a blank screen, dreaming of an amazing website, but just not knowing where to even begin.
Sound familiar? You've got this incredible vision in your head for a website or an app, right? It's clean, it's gorgeous, it's super easy to use. But then you actually sit down to start building, and all that excitement just hits a wall of frustration. Where do you even start? Because, there's the dream. This beautiful, intuitive, super fast user experience. And then there's the reality for a lot of us. That blinking cursor on a blank page, the constant struggle to make things look consistent, and that slow, kind of painful process of building every single little thing from scratch. But what if you could just skip all that frustration? What if there was a secret weapon you could use to defeat that blank page? Like for good? Well, that is exactly what a UI kit is. So to put it simply, a UI kit, that's a user interface kit, is basically your new design toolbox. It's this hand-picked collection of all the pieces you're going to need. Buttons, forms, navigation bars, icons, you name it. They're all pre-designed and ready to go. You can really think of it as this amazing foundation that can eventually grow into a huge design system. Honestly, the best way to wrap your head around it is with this analogy. A UI kit is like a professional set of Legos, but for your website. It's a simple idea, but wow, is it powerful. And here's how that Lego idea plays out. Instead of having to make every single little brick yourself, you start with a box of perfect pieces, your buttons, forms, and menus. You also get a clear style guide, kind of like the instruction booklet, that keeps your colors and spacing totally consistent. And what this means is you get to skip all the boring, tedious setup and just focus your energy on the fun part, building whatever you can possibly imagine. So, okay, knowing what a UI kit is, that's one thing, but really understanding how it can transform your work, that's the real magic. Let's dig into why you absolutely need one. First off, speed. We're talking a 50% faster workflow. Just let that sink in for a second. That's not a tiny improvement. That's literally cutting your design and development time in half. When you have all these components ready to just grab and use, you can assemble pages at a speed that's just no way. It's impossible when you're starting from scratch. Next up, and this one is huge, you get bulletproof consistency. A really great UI kit defines everything for you: the exact color codes, the pixel-perfect spacing, the font hierarchy. It just ends that chaos of having, slightly different shades of blue all over the place. It makes sure your whole project feels like it was guided by one single focused vision. And the results of all that amazing consistency? Your work just looks professional right away, instantly. A well-made UI kit, something like Google's Material Design or Ant Design, gives you such a solid foundation. It just elevates the quality of your entire project and lets you build your own unique vision right on top of it. Okay, so you're probably sold on the idea by now, but there are so many options out there. So how do you pick the best one for your project? Let's walk through a super simple framework to help you figure that out. Here is a simple 3-point checklist. First, component variety. Does the kit have all the pieces you're actually going to need, from data tables to pop-up modals? Second, check the documentation. A great kit is pretty useless if you can't figure out how to use it, so look for clear instructions for designers and developers. And third, and this is crucial, customization. A good kit should be a starting point, not a straitjacket, right? So can you easily change the colors and fonts to make it your own? And for the devs out there, does it play nice with frameworks like React or Vue? So as we start to wrap this up, I want to reframe this a little. A UI kit isn't just another tool, it's more like a superpower. It doesn't restrict your creativity, it actually unlocks it by giving you incredible focus. And, this quote really just says it all. The best UI kits accelerate your journey from a blank page to a stunning reality. That's what they are. They're accelerators, built to get your best ideas out of your head and onto the screen way faster and better than ever before. So, that blank canvas, that biggest creative hurdle, it's gone. Now the only question left is, what are you going to create first?